Imagine catching small profit from gold every few minutes without stress. In this video, I'll show you a simple 1-minute scalping strategy that can help you trade smarter and faster. So hold on, immediately after our intro, we'll dive straight to the main point. Welcome to AFTechTrades, where I share simple and effective trading strategies for Forex and gold traders. We also share strategies on crypto. So most of our strategy work on all financial markets. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also like this video, share it so that others can benefit. Let's move on. Now this is gold XAUUSD, as you can see. So let's go to 1 minute time frame. So here is 1 minute time frame. Mind you, this strategy doesn't work during news hour. Please avoid trading this strategy during news time. Okay? Anytime there is news, just avoid it. As you can see here, a news just happened here right now. So as much as you can, avoid it when you know that the market is very volatile. Okay, you only use the strategy on a normal market circumstance. Okay, so now the first thing you would do now is to go to our indicators and search for moving average. Just search for EMA exponential, this particular one, moving average exponential. You add it 2 times, add it twice, right? You add it 2 times. So after adding it, you come and edit it, right? So the first input, you come to this input section. The length, the first input length you use is 50, right? EAV. Then you come to style and change it to any color of your choice. You can leave it at blue or change it to any color of your choice. You can increase the thickness of it to any thickness you wish. So let me put it on the second one, right? Then you click on OK. Now you come to the second indicator and edit it also. You come to inputs and this you change it to 200. You change this to 200. You come to style. You change this to another different color, right? Change it to another different color other than the first one you took. You can put, let's say, yellow, and you increase the thickness, right? So now you know that the yellow line is your 200 EMA, while the blue line is your 100 EAA. So I hope you get this. So as easy as this strategy, it works perfectly on 1 minute time frame. Now let me show you how this strategy works. Very simple, very simple and effective, right? So but one thing I want to tell you is that there is no strategy that is 100% guarantee. There is no strategy that will give you 100% win rates, right? Let's say you get around 70, 60, 70, 80% win rates. That is perfect. But anybody that will come and tell you that there is a strategy that is 100% win rate or 99% win rate or 90% win, that person is just bluffing. So put this at the back of your mind, right? So now how do you trade this particular strategy? The simple way to trade this particular strategy is to wait for your 50 EMA to cross over the 200 EMA. So some usually allow for a retest after the crossover. You can see we have a crossover here. Let me mark it for you to see. You see we have a crossover here, right? So some people will wait after the crossover, there's a retest. You can see the retest here. Oh, you can see there's another retest here, right? So immediately after the retest, you take a long, or you can enter immediately you see the crossover. You get, but some people preferably you wait after the retest. So now you see a crossover, you enter a long position. You enter a long position after the close of the retest candle, right? Now your stop loss would be in the most recent low or high, depending on either you're buying or selling, right? So now the stop loss, you put it either maybe 10 pips or just below here, like I said, and your take profit, you can target 15 pips to 20 pips or 1.5 times your wicks. I hope you get. So remember, this is just a scalping strategy. Remember, this is just 1 minute and this is scalping strategy. So but if you want to stay longer in the market, is what you do is that once you're in profits, you move your stop loss from this region to this zone, meaning you move your stop loss to your entry zone like this, right? So meaning you'll be trading risk free. So if you drag this here, you see what happened in the market. You see you stayed longer in the market and you keep moving your stop loss, right? You keep moving your stop loss until you want to get out of the market. You see how this market plays out. So let's go back and see how the previous market reactions. So now you can see now in this situation there's a crossover here. You can see there's a crossover here. There's a sell crossover here, right? I hope you see the place. I hope you can see it. There's a sell crossover here, then there is a retest here. You see it? There's a retest here. The crossover happened here and the retest happened here. I hope you can see it very well. So you enter immediately after the retest or the crossover. But like I said, the expert said we should wait after the crossover. So you see what happened in these markets? You see, easy peasy. But like I said, there is no strategy that is 100%. So now this is in a sell scenario. The other one we need was on the buy scenario. So in the buy scenario, if your 50 EMA crosses over your 200 EMA, you will be entering for your buy. In the sell scenario, if your 50 EMA crosses below your 200 EMA, you will be entering for a sell market. So now, once you get out of the market, you wait for another opportunity. Please do not jump into the market again. Let's say you enter a buy position, for example, or a sell position. You take the sell and you're out of the market. You can just stay out of the market, or if you want to go out of the market, not that you have to wait for a retest. Do this will increase a little bit risk for you. So you wait for a retest on your EMA, either your 200 EMA or your 50 EMA, especially your 50 EMA, then you take another entry, right? But preferably, this is a scalping strategy and just 1 minute strategy. Once you get out of the market, you wait for another opportunity. I hope you wait for another opportunity. Don't overtrade. Don't keep jumping from one. Keep entering different trades until you get it wrong. So follow the rule and you will see that this strategy is perfect. Now we have another crossover here. You can see it here. We have another crossover here. Remember, your SL must always be below where the crossover happened, so that the market will not come and take you out. Your SL must always be below where the crossover happened, or 10 to 15 to 20 pips, right? Now you enter a long position. You enter a long position after the retest. Where did the retest happen? Here, right? The retest happened here, but you can enter a long position, I said it, immediately after you see the crossover if you wish, right? You can also wait after the retest, then you take a long position. Your stop loss would be right below here, you can see it. And your TP, you can see how this market plays out. I hope you get this. I hope you get this simple strategy. Now you move again. Let's see what happened previously. So you can, this strategy work only on 1 minute time frame. Yes, it works perfectly on gold and works on 1 minute time frame. So let's look for more opportunities. You can see how the market keep reacting on our trend line. You can see how the markets keep reacting on our trend line. Let's look for one more opportunity. So you try this on your demo account first and see how it works before going live with it. I hope you get. Now we have not seen any crossover, so you will wait, or like I said, you need to wait for it to bounce, making sure the trend, if you check the higher time frame, the trend is uptrend, so meaning you're gonna be taking only buys. Please, you need to follow this rule. If the major trend is uptrend, so you need to wait for a retest on your trend line, on your moving average, before you take a buy or a short. If it is a downtrend, if the major trend is a downtrend on higher time frame, you get the point. That is, if you want to enter multiple trades using the retest of the moving average. But if you don't want to follow that rule, you just need to wait for a crossover and take either a buy or a sell. Now we have a crossover here. You can see that this strategy we have entered almost a mini trade, for example, and you can see how the winning consistency is. So now we have a crossover here. Then if we are waiting for a retest, we have a retest here. You can see it, right? We have a retest here. So you enter a long position. So let's assume you entered long position here, and your stop loss must always be below the low or the high before the crossover happened. That is the rule. The stop loss should always be there, right? Now you see, though this stop loss is a bit high, but what you do is that once you're in good profits, you start moving your stop loss to break even. You start moving your stop loss to break even to minimize your risks, right? Trading risk free is one of the perfect trading strategy that gives you rest of mind, and try as much as you can to trust your analysis and your strategy, and don't, like I said, stop jumping from one strategy to another. I always advise you guys this: stop jumping from one strategy to another. Once you find a strategy that works perfectly for you and gives you at least 60 to 70% win rate, please stick to it, right? Yes, it's good to test a new strategy, but if the strategy is not giving you up to what your former strategy is giving you, please stick to your former strategy. Stop jumping from one strategy to another. I hope you get this, so you can see how this market plays out, right? I hope you follow this rule for you to make out something. So now you see here we have another crossover. See, just follow this simple rule and avoid trading this strategy during news events. I'm repeating myself again. Avoid trading this strategy during news events. So we have a crossover here and we have a retest here, right? We have a crossover and we have a retest here. Now we're taking a short position right here, and our stop loss will be right here, right? So now you can see how this market plays out. I can go on and on and on and on. I don't want this video to be too long, so try this, like I said, on your on your demo account or your cent account, right? Practice this and see for like, maybe you try this maybe for like 1 week to 2 weeks or even 1 month, and see the consistency of it. Then you can now confidently move into your live accounts, right? Without any fear, because you have tried this and you have seen how it works. So like I said, avoid trading this strategy during major news. Okay, avoid it. Yes, avoid it. Don't say because you see a crossover during news event you want to follow. No, it will definitely fail. No strategy works easily like that during news event, except those that are doing swing trade. Yes, except those that are doing their favor during news, because they are swing traders. The analysis is longer, not like this 1 minute scalping. Okay, so stick to 2 to 3 good trades per session. Once you get 2 to 3 good trades, it's okay. Don't overtrade. Okay, don't overtrade. So that's just it. Now, here's the full setup. Like I said, get your 50 EMA. You get your 200 EMA on 1 minute time frame, please. Don't go to 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour. Just 1 minute time frame. Clear trend. Simple entries. You can see these are sniper entries. Okay, so that's it. No indicators, no stress, no too much indicators. Like you see some people putting 10 indicators on their screen, stressing themselves on this is really right. So try this first on your demo account or your cent account and see how it fits your style. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Follow our Telegram channel where we drop market insight and trading signals, and we'll keep dropping high probability setup for you guys and strategies. So see you in our next video. Bye bye.